Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous classes, we have completed exercise 5.1, and in the exercise 5.2, only two questions were remaining, question number 6 and question 7. These two questions we will do in today's class. Okay. So, exercise 5.2, question number 6 is for the polynomial 7x square plus 3x minus 5x cube minus 7, find its degree, coefficient of x cube, number of terms and constant term. These four things you have to find for this given polynomial. Okay, so let us start our answer. What is the polynomial given? 7x square plus 3x minus 5x cube minus 7. This is the polynomial. Now a part is you have to find its degree. I told you in the previous classes what is degree of a given polynomial. The highest degree of the given terms. जितनी भी terms होती हैं उनकी degrees में से जो highest degree होती है that is the degree for that polynomial. So you must know how to find the degree of different terms present in the polynomial. First term is 7x square. Here you can see, yes, answer is 3. Everyone, good. Let me explain it. First term is 7x square. In this you can see only one variable is present there. Here the power of this variable is 2. So degree for the first term will be 2 only because one variable is present. Whenever we have to see the degree or we have to find the degree of the terms, we just see the power of variable or variables present in that term. Okay. So the degree of first term will be 2. The degree for the second term will be 1. In the second term, the variable is x only, and if no power is written over the variable, then it is assumed as 1. So the degree for the second term will be 1. In the third term, variable is x, its power is 3, so degree of the third term will be 3. In the fourth term, no variable is present, so degree is 0. So among these four degrees, 2, 1, 3 and 0, which one is the highest? 3 is the highest, so 3 will be the degree for the polynomial. So A part's answer is 3. B part, yes, good students. Coefficient of x cube. I also told you how to find the coefficient of x cube. For the coefficient, first of all you have to find the term where x cube is present, and in that term whatever is multiplying with the x cube, that will be coefficient of x cube. थर्ड टर्म में एक्स क्यूब प्रेजेंट है, यस गुड स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज -5. थर्ड टर्म में एक्स क्यूब प्रेजेंट है और हमें एक्स क्यूब का ही कोफिशिएंट लिखना है, तो जो भी चीज नंबर या वेरिएबल विद इट्स साइन एक्स क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है उस टर्म में, दैट विल बी कोफिशिएंट. -5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है एक्स क्यूब से, सो -5 विल बी दी कोफिशिएंट फॉर एक्स क्यूब. सी पार्ट, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. So here you can see with plus minus sign, four terms are getting separated. 7x square, 3x, minus 5x cube and minus 7. Terms will come with its sign always. Okay, so four terms are present in this polynomial. The D part is constant term. Constant term is that term in which no variable is present. In the first three terms you can see variables are present, but in the fourth term no variable is there. So fourth term, that is -7, will be the constant term for that polynomial. Yes, good students, very good. So this was question number 6. Now the next is question number 7. In the question number 7 you have to classify the polynomials according to their degrees. पॉलिनोमियल की जो डिग्री, आपको जो पॉलिनोमियल दिया हुआ है उसकी जो भी डिग्री है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्लासिफाई करना है व्हाट विल बी इट्स नेम. सो आई एम डूइंग थ्री पार्ट्स हेयर. द ए पार्ट इज एक्स प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस 9y स्क्वायर. First of all, we will find its degree and then we will classify it according to its degree. You can see the degree of first term is 2 because the variable x is having power 2. Okay. Now in the second term, two variables are present there. If more than one variable is present in any term, then to find its degree, to find the degree of that particular term, we have to just add their powers. So 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the third term, the power of the variable is 2. Hence, the degree of the third term is also 2. So, here you can see degree for that particular polynomial is 2. So, it will be quadratic polynomial. Okay. The B part is 5x minus 3y minus 2. Okay. Here you can see a bracket is given. So, first of all, just simplify the given polynomial. So, it will be 5x minus 3 will be get multiplied with these two numbers of bracket. So minus 3 अगर y से multiply हो रहा है, it will be minus 3y. And if we multiply minus 3 and minus 2, you know, if the numbers which are getting multiplied are having same sign, then the resultant sign will be positive. 3 और 2 दोनों ही negative है, so the sign will be positive and 3 2s are 6. Now tell me what will be the degree for that particular polynomial. You can see the degree of first term is 1 as the power of x is 1. In the second term the degree is again 1 and in the third term the degree is 0 because no variable is present there. Yes, good students. The degree is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Okay. The E part is y cube plus 2y square minus 7y plus 5. Again we have to find its degree first of all, and for that we have to find the degrees of terms. In the first term you can see one variable is present and its power is 3. So degree of the term will also be 3. In the second term the variable is y and its power is 2. So degree of the term will be 2 because one variable is present here. Okay. जब एक से ज्यादा वेरिएबल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं तो पावर्स को ऐड करते हैं. यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल है थर्ड टर्म में, अगेन ओनली वन वेरिएबल इज प्रेजेंट दैट इज y और y की पावर है 1. ठीक है. सो इट विल बी 1. इन द फोर्थ टर्म नो वेरिएबल इज देयर, सो डिग्री फॉर द फोर्थ टर्म विल बी 0. हियर यू कैन सी द हाईएस्ट नंबर इज 3. यस, 3 2 1 0. इन चारों में से हाईएस्ट डिग्री है 3, तो इस गिवन पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री हो जाएगी 3. और जिस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री 3 होती है, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? Yes, good. Good, Anika. It is cubic polynomial. जिस polynomial की डिग्री 3 होती है, it is called cubic polynomial. So now students, these three parts we have done in classwork only of question number 7, exercise 5.2, and with this question we have completed our exercise 5.2. Okay, so this was your classwork for today. Your homework is 21 September, exercise 5.2, question number 7. You have to do C and D part. Okay, two questions we have done today, 6 and 7. 6 7 completely we have done in the classwork only, and the parts which we have not done in the classwork of question 7, that are C and D, you have to do in the homework. Okay, thank you class.